Yo, another update too, y'all. Just put these LED lights in here, the same ones I put in my EOS. I think they're called Bevanese, something like that. But yes, sir. I think this is a 6000K. But man, these things are so nice. It was a pain in the butt to install. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It was a pain in the butt. Like the low beam, no problem. Snap right in, connect the plug, boom, done. The high beam, oh my gosh, the LEDs would not fit in the metal ring and all that kind of stuff. It was a pain. We had to cut and do a little bit of modifying to get it to work, but we got them in there though. The low beam is fire. The high beam is wow. The high beam is crazy bright. Yeah, I like it a lot. But forget all that. We're gonna I didn't think this car would leave super hard, and I just launched this thing on the street. And the car just broke traction. I had no idea that the car would do that. Because the traction mode, even though I got traction turned off, it's still there, and it doesn't let the car really do what it can really do. But yeah, we're gonna stop in the middle of the highway. We're gonna hit this thing. Here we go. That's not bad, man. That's not bad. Like I said, brand new air filter. It's a stock air filter. Brand new stock air filter. Just installed the Summit Racing 10% underdrive crank pulley on the front of the car. Dampener. Just installed that. And I got a half a tank of E85 in here. So it's half E85, half 93 blend. So that's all that's done to the car so far. Not bad. I'll only get faster from here.